Oh, simply delightful. Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to stir fry a simple dish with chicken and asparagus. For the ingredients, we need 300 grams of chicken, followed by 500 grams of asparagus, then half an onion, 10 grams of ginger, and a few garlic cloves. Then we need pepper, salt, and tapioca, and finally some oyster sauce. Begin by cutting the garlic and ginger in small pieces. Then marinate the chicken with some minced garlic and ginger. Add half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then marinate the chicken for about 15 minutes. After that, slice the asparagus into bite-sized pieces. Then cut the onion into small pieces. In a hot pan, add a little bit of oil. Then add some minced garlic and ginger. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Then add the chicken. Then stir fry it for a couple minutes. After that, add a little bit of water if you like the chicken to be tender. Then put the cover on and cook for a few more minutes. Once done, take out the chicken and set it aside. In a hot pan, add some oil, then add the remaining garlic. Stir fry a little bit, then add the asparagus and quickly mix it. Add a pinch of salt, then mix it well. After that, add the chicken and the onions and mix it well. Take a small cup, mix 1 teaspoon of tapioca and 1 tablespoon of cold water. Add it to the pan. Then mix it well. Turn off the heat and add a little bit of pepper. And voila! So yummy! Bon appétit!